안녕하세요. I'm in Seoul, Korea today. I came to Mr. Yan's processing plant. He's a factory that makes stone in this slab. Today we are visiting his company.
저 모자이크 해달라고.
네.
안녕하세요.
These are all made in Spain.
이런 게 이제 스페인.
This is made in Spain
근데 요거는 이제 박채, 얇잖아.
because it is thin. Therefore, it is used on the upper arm.
This is also 6 millimeters.
6T짜리죠.
이렇게 이거.
네.
Just these two places of origin, Spain and Italy.
Is there any difference between this both on the wall then?
이태리산이랑 스페인산이 이게 뭐가 다르는가 궁금한 거예요.
그러니까 재질은 이태리 건 약간 소프트한데
네.
스페인 거는 너무 하드해가지고
네.
딱딱해가지고 잘 깨져.
About that material made in Italy, it's softer. And then Spain, made in Spain, it's a little harder. Those hard words are easy to break. Just such a difference.
Now we have come to this factory workshop of Mr. Yat. There are water jets in the factory workshop. Water jet cutting machine. This is a 3-axis water jet cutter. Then there's another one here. A machining center just imported from our company. This is to make a basin bucket. Make the original basin bucket. You can take a look at this machining center. This is an effect of a freshly made rock slab processed by our machining center. You can take a look. Rami first. This is the big boss of the factory. He's doing this production. We cut them very professional today. And today is Sunday. What about Sunday? Well, the boss didn't rest either. Still working in our factory. Very hard work. Very serious. Very good. Very good. This is an effect produced. One with a straight edge, a very good effect. Hey, well, very smooth, very gentle and beautiful. What about their market in Korea? Stone is a kind of plate produced in Italy and Spain. The amount used is particularly large. There's another one, this machine that grinds the straight edge. And then on this side, there's the bridge cut. There are a total of 3 bridge cuts. You can take a look here. Today, I will take you to understand the effect of an actual factory exploration of our Malmore factory. In the next issue, I will take you to see a use case scenario in our other factories in Korea. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, right? See you, bye.